I'm Katie. I'm working on half pallets. I'm putting boxes on the skid because these boxes were messed up. I have like a job coach.
My name is Michelle LEBEAU. I work at Valley Packaging Industries and I am the Rehabilitation Services Manager. I think the most fulfilling experience for me working with Katie is seeing her grow. She's been a part of my job here at Valley Packaging for at least 5 years. I work with people in our pre-vocational programs, so we work on soft skills such as following directions, getting along with your supervisor, getting along with your peers, different problem-solving techniques.
Valley Packaging is a 501c3, so we are a nonprofit organization, but our mission is really about providing work to companies and manufacturers in the community, generate profits from that work to feed our overall mission. And our overall mission is giving individuals that are either disadvantaged in some way, have some sort of a disability, whether it's physical or cognitive, give them an opportunity to work, give them an opportunity to work in our environment, be trained, and either stay with us or leave us and join another organization in the community.
I think it's really important to note that everybody is capable and everybody can do any of the jobs that they're asked as long as they have those supports. And I feel like anybody in the community would also be lucky to have Katie if she chooses to go a different path, or any of our other clients.
They talk to me about how good I am. If I get stuck on the job, they show me what to do, and I go out of my way to help people out if they need help. They are awesome and cool, and they help me out a lot.